In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer ticket in Zendesk. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar. There, you'll see an option labeled Add with a plus sign. Hover your mouse over that Add option. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Ticket. This is how you start creating a brand new customer ticket from scratch. After you select Ticket, you'll be taken to the ticket editor. This is where you'll enter all the details about the customer's issue or request. At the top, you'll see a field for the subject. Type in a short, clear summary of the issue here. Think of this like the subject line of an email. It should be specific enough that anyone looking at the queue can understand what the ticket is about at a glance. Just below the subject, you'll find a large text field for the ticket description. Use this space to describe the customer's problem or request in more detail. Include any relevant context, such as what the customer was trying to do, any error messages they saw, and any troubleshooting steps that might already have been tried. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be for the support team to respond quickly and accurately. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar of the ticket editor. This is where you define who the ticket is for and how it should be handled. In the requester field, start typing the customer's name or email address. Zendesk will search your existing users as you type. If the user already exists, select them from the list. If they don't, you can create a new requester by entering their details so that future tickets can be linked to the same profile. Next, move to the Assignee field. Here, you'll choose which support agent or group will handle this ticket. Assigning it correctly ensures it lands with the right person or team as soon as it's submitted. Below that, you'll see Type. Choose the ticket type that best matches the situation. For example, whether it's a general question, an incident, a problem, or a task that needs to be completed. Right under Type, set the priority. You can select low, normal, high, or urgent depending on how time-sensitive or impactful the issue is. Setting this accurately helps your team manage their workload and respond in the right order. You'll also have the option to add tags. Tags are keywords that make tickets easier to search, filter, and report on later. You might tag by product, feature, or issue category. While tags are optional, they're very useful for tracking trends over time. Once you've filled in the subject, description, requester, assignee, type, priority, and any tags you want to include, you're ready to create the ticket. Go down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Submit as New. This saves the ticket and adds it to your Zendesk queue, ready for your team to work on. And that's all you need to do to create a customer ticket in Zendesk from start to finish.